nakasama ko kayo. And it's been a while since we had this another cooking session. And happy ako to share with you again my recipe. It is my own version. So it is called buttered chicken with a twist.
Wow.
With a twist. So mahilig talaga ako with the twist, di ba? So it will just depend on you. Pero we have tried this so many times and it really tastes good. So let's keep on going. So we will be starting off with our main ingredient, which is the chicken. So i-marinate lang po natin ito with number 1. I will be pouring in butter. Melted butter na po ito. So, yeah. This will also put some flavors in our chicken. And then, after that, lalagyan na po natin siya ng pepper. Ayan, medyo mamasahin na natin siya, or we're going to massage the chicken so that the ingredients will be absorbed by the chicken. And then, next would be the oyster sauce. Ayan. This will also add up the richness of the flavor ng ating buttered chicken. So, ito na rin yung magpapaalat or will give the taste or saltiness of the chicken. Alright? And then, another ingredient would be turmeric powder. So, as we all know, turmeric powder has tawag ito, meron siyang added health benefits. So, ito po yung aking trivia about the turmeric powder. Ayan, this is so, it will just depend on you kung gaano po kadami yung ilalagay yung turmeric. But for me, just enough para malagyan or magbigyan ng taste. May taste ba ang turmeric? Yes. May konting spiciness siya. Yes. But, yun nga, ang habol natin dito would be the health benefits of the turmeric powder. And then, lastly would be, this is optional. But for me, I want to add up some spiciness. So, maglalagay lang po tayo ng chili powder on this. So, meron ko kasi akong anak na hindi siya mahilig with chilies. So, I'll just put konti lang para may konting kagat sa ating chicken. But if you want it to be spicy, then just put some chili powder on it. Ayan. So, I think this is good. Then we'll just leave this for around 15 to 30 minutes. Tapos, balikan namin. Stand by! So, ayan. We already marinated the chicken. After 30 minutes, 15 minutes will also do. So, ako, naging 30 minutes siya. And then, we will go on with the flour mixture because we're going to fry the chicken. So, we will be starting off with our flour. Or the flour, sorry. The flour. So, I don't have actually the measurement of this because hindi naman need ng measurement for this. Because we're just going to adjust pagka naubos yung flour mixture natin, then we will just be pouring in again another mixture. So, this is tapioca flour. So, as you all know, pag nag-fry ako ng pork chop, fish, not fish, but chicken and pork talaga, I always wanted to use the tapioca flour. And then, Ang i-add po natin dito sa ating flour mixture would be the breading mix. Now, if you didn't have the breading mix, ang maging alternative na lang natin would be the flour, the tapioca, and some salt and pepper. Now, since I have the, the breading mix, so ito na lang din yung ilalagay ko. Ayan, so mix lang natin siya. So, I also have the beaten eggs with me. So, binit na natin siya a while ago. What we're going to do is that we will just coat the chicken with the egg. And then, dito na po tayo sa flour mixture. Okay? Then, kanina, or a while ago, when we're about to start airing or shooting this one, nagpainit na po ako sa pan ng mantika, and then for sure this is already hot. And then after this, we're going to fry it up. Yeah. So again, we're just going to repeat the procedure until ubos natin or we finish all the chicken. So as you can see, nakikita na rin natin yung color of the turmeric powder. The turmeric powder will also add up the color and the texture of the buttered chicken. So as you can see, kulay butter na siya. So, maganda siya. And masarap. Malinam na. Okay. We will just going to adjust once the beaten eggs is already done, and we still have few more pieces of chicken, so we'll just add eggs and another mixture of the flour. Once we still have chicken and we still need to dip it. So as you can see, the fire is between medium to low heat only. You don't want naman na masunog yung chicken natin, but the inside of the chicken is not that cooked, right? So, ganun lang yung process natin. We're just going to fry this and then we'll get back to it. So, ayan. We already finished frying all the chicken. So, we'll just have to wait na mag-golden brown yung chicken and then it's ready. Now, for our last phase, we will going to pan fry the chicken with, of course, the butter. So, kanina we have the another butter na tinuruin natin for the marinade. Then we also have another butter for the pan fry, right? So, we're just going to pour in this one. Ayan. Make sure that our fire is nasa low heat lang siya talaga. Kasi it's easy to burn. Madaling masunog. In short, yung ating butter. So, we don't want our butter to be masunog. Diba? Masunog. Ang hirap mag-English. Sinutubo yung ilong ko. So, Next would be our onion. It's important that really to mix the butter, the onion, and next would be the garlic. So para it will not burn. So you can really smell the aroma of the onions, and then followed by the garlic. The more garlic, the more flavorful or aroma our dish would be. Okay. Ganun pa rin. Let's just continue mixing this until golden brown siya. Ayan. So as you can see, golden brown yung ating garlic. So it's proper time na for us to pour in additional ingredients. Lastly na po ito, the sugar. Okay. If ever, mas masarap na ilagay, it's either sugar or you have honey. So either ways, you can also pour in honey or you can also pour in brown sugar. Or brown sugar lang or honey. So it will just depend on you or depende na rin po sa availability ng ingredients na makukuha ninyo or what you will be doing. So yan. So lastly, before natin i-pan fry, will be our ketchup. So, yung ketchup natin just enough for us na, ayan, ganito karami. Ayan, so, ayan, kailangan na natin siya ilagay. Kailangan talaga natin i-dip talaga yun. We just need to dip our chicken sa mixture. Ayan. Ayan! Finish! Tapos na po yung ating butter chicken. Already pan-fried for just a couple of seconds or a minute. Then, it will be served. Ayan. Makikita nyo na ang finished product later on. So, again, thank you so much for being with me right now. And I hope you have enjoyed our videos. Please, if you like this dish, like it, subscribe, and please push the notification bell para po ma-notify kayo for our upcoming videos. Thank you so much! God bless you everyone!